Two powerhouse CRMs. One tough decision. Which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot CRM, streamlined for marketing-led organizations. And on the right, Zoho CRM, customizable for small to medium-sized businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Let's lay out what we're comparing. Makes it way easier to keep track, honestly. Here's our mind map. We're looking at pricing, ease of use, automations, lead management, and integrations. Ready? Let's dive in category by category. First up, pricing. Starting with HubSpot CRM. You know, HubSpot does have scalable options, which is great if you're planning to grow. But at the higher tiers, yeah, it starts getting pretty pricey. You might feel like your wallet got hit by a marketing tornado. Now, the flip side, Zoho CRM. It comes in way more affordable. So if you're counting pennies or running a lean startup, this one's kind to you. Plus, it's cost-effective. The only catch? Not as scalable when you get really big. Still, I mean, if price is your top concern, Zoho's got the edge here. All right, next up, ease of use. Let's talk HubSpot again first. The big selling point? It's seriously user-friendly. The interface just makes sense, you know? It's smooth, no real friction, and definitely beginner-friendly. The trade-off? Yeah, you don't get a ton of deep customization here. Now, Zoho CRM, here's where it flips a bit. Zoho gives you so much to tweak. Dashboards, modules, automations, super customizable, which is exciting if you like control. But setting up? Oof, you might spend a Sunday afternoon doing that. And some features require a bit of a learning curve. Still, for most teams, HubSpot wins out when it comes to getting folks on board quickly. Moving on, automations. Starting with HubSpot CRM. Honestly, the automations are pretty solid here. Creating workflows and sequences just feels natural, and it covers the basics really well. The bummer is, if you're on the free plan, don't expect all the bells and whistles. Now, Zoho CRM. Oh, and here's something cool. Zoho doesn't hold back. Unlimited automations, endless workflow tweaks, and you can pretty much custom build your lead pipeline. The only thing, might need someone tech savvy on your team to set up advanced stuff. But if automation is your jam, Zoho takes this round. Hang on, here's something wild you might not know. Did you know CRMs can increase sales productivity by up to 30%? That's basically like turbo boosting your team's output overnight. I was shook when I first saw the stats. Up next, lead management. HubSpot's got it covered. Their lead management is honestly kind of next level, with advanced scoring and tracking that makes following up a breeze. If you've got a big sales team, this is pretty awesome. But quick heads up. For smaller businesses, some features might feel a little over the top. Zoho CRM, on the other hand, is all about flexibility. You get customizable filters, simple scoring, and it's affordable if you're just starting out. Only thing is, the scoring isn't as advanced as HubSpot's. So if you want those pro-level lead tools, HubSpot's definitely ahead. Last category, integrations. HubSpot. Honestly, it's hard to beat here. It offers over 1,500 integrations, plus a really slick marketplace for connecting your favorite apps. The catch? A few of those integrations might sneak onto your monthly bill. Zoho CRM brings over 1,000 integrations, but it goes deep with its whole Zoho ecosystem. If you use other Zoho tools, you'll love it. More technical setup though, so it's not quite plug and play if you're juggling lots of third-party apps. For most folks, HubSpot feels more seamless, and that gives it the win. Let's do a quick pulse check. Imagine a radar chart popping up. HubSpot's spiking on ease of use, lead management, and integrations. Zoho's flying high on pricing and automations. They both have their strengths, but you can see those differences pretty clearly. So, my honest take, HubSpot CRM is best for bigger businesses, especially if marketing is your game and you need powerful lead tools, tons of integrations, and a smooth interface. Zoho CRM is basically a dream for small or medium businesses who want a wallet-friendly, customizable tool and don't mind rolling up their sleeves to get those automations running. It really comes down to what you need more. If price and workflow customization are key, Zoho's likely your winner. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Oh, and share it with your team. Stay ahead with the latest CRM insights. You don't want to miss what's coming next.